Summer, the season of sunshine, warm weather, and spending more time under surfboard than on it. And while you've been doing your best trying to ride the next wave, we've been busy making splashes of our own with a fresh set of Mailtrap features and improvements designed to make email sending smoother, deliverability easier to monitor, and testing safer. So grab your gear and let's catch the latest wave of Mailtrap updates this summer. Let's go! First up, we're paddling into inbound email, intended to give your applications a way to receive and process messages without running your own mail server. For your inbound inboxes, you will be able to use custom domains and have more control over the addresses used for incoming messages. Plus, with conversation threading, related messages and replies will also stay organized as complete conversations, making incoming emails easier to follow and process. No email drifting away on my watch. Next, to help you navigate the waters of recipient tracking, we've rolled out recipient tracking opt-outs. But before I tell you more about that, a quick reminder to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss new videos or updates on the Mailtrap features. The new recipient opt-outs will let you make open and click tracking optional for individual recipients without requiring them to unsubscribe from your emails altogether, and help you stay compliant with requirements such as FRANCIL's CNIL guidance, which requires marketing emails to provide recipients with an easy way to opt out of open tracking pixels. For each sending domain, you will be able to turn the feature on and include a dedicated tracking opt-out link in every email, separate from the usual unsubscribe link. On top of that, every confirmed opt-out will be recorded under tracking opt-outs in suppressions, so you can easily see which recipients have turned trackings off. That way, while their activities may be off the radar, their preference won't get lost at sea. And since we're keeping an eye on the swell, we've also added automated domain reputation monitoring to help you stay ahead of changes in your domain health. From one dashboard, you can now monitor sending performance, bounce trends, Google Postmaster data, domain configuration, blocklist status, and security risks, allowing you to spot potential issues before they start affecting your emails. And in case Riptide has you worried, you will be able to turn on critical alerts for high priority issues, along with weekly summaries of how your domains are doing overall. If only my wetsuit came with the same early warning system. For developers looking to keep their email testing safely on shore, this season we introduced Mailtrap Local, a free open source version of Email Sandbox that runs entirely on your own machine. With Mailtrap Local, you can now capture emails during local development before they ever reach recipients, test email sending functionality, iterate on templates, and inspect everything from HTML and plain text to headers, raw source, and attachments, all in a secure environment. When your emails are ready to venture beyond the shallow waters, Local Send to Cloud feature will also let you push messages to Mailtrap Email Sandbox for team review, while Auto Relay will enable you to forward them through Mailtrap SMTP or another SMTP provider for real inbox testing, just as the wind intended. And for our last major update, we're popping up the Salesforce board with the new Email Sandbox for Salesforce. Available as a native app exchange package, the integration will give you a way to QA flows, email templates, marketing cloud campaigns, and other email automations before promoting them to production. Emails generated during testing are routed to Mailtrap, where you will be able to check how they render, review spam scores, and troubleshoot anything that looks off before it reaches real customers. Turns out, Salesforce emails could use a practice wave too. Alongside the bigger updates, we've managed to fit a few smaller ones on the surfboard too. On the DevTools side, we've added a new page where you can pick your stack and get everything from the install command and credentials to your first send example in one flow, with templates and batch sending just a few clicks away. And if you happen to be setting things up with AI, there's also a ready-made prompt tailored to your configuration, plus a dedicated AI tab bringing Mailtrap MCP, skills, and debugging tools all into one place. In terms of APIs and developer tooling, we expanded campaigns with endpoints for listing campaigns and retrieving performance stats, and added an official SDK for Go developers. And for those working with Next.js, we released an open source SaaS starter featuring Mailtrap as the email layer, Supabase for authentication, and Stripe for billing. Finally, we also made some changes to our plans, including unlimited users and domains on the highest email API SMTP plan, unlimited testing emails and users on the highest Sandbox plan, and dedicated plans for email marketing. Wow, looks like the white waves were worth catching too. And that brings us back to shore for this summer product digest. But don't worry, we're not hanging up the surfboard yet, as plenty more Mailtrap updates are already on the horizon. In the meantime, if you'd like to explore any of the features we covered today, we've linked our docs and how-to guides in the comments for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Aloha!